Hey everybody. It's another Sunday and yet another game dev stream. So yeah, today got a couple things planned. First up, as we saw the other day, the Twitch integration seems to be broken on the game. I'd like to figure out why that's happening. So we are gonna do that first. Let's see something. I just actually thought of something as I was setting up stream here. Okay, so it is working. As you can see me typing reverse. Things are reversing. I bet when it changes scenes, something breaks. There's no errors in the console, but I bet it's busted. Got our Twitch chat parser. But I bet this no longer works. Oh, it does. Okay, well, shoot. There goes that. Let me test that a little bit more. Hold on. Perfect. I have it open already. It could be with the build as well. I'm not really sure. Like, something that's build only. I have plans for that too. I had ideas prior to starting of how I can fix that. See, it just doesn't work in here at all. Gotcha. So it's not responding in any way, shape, or form here. Alright. We can build something for that. Crud, did I ever add... I totally didn't. Okay, how do I... How do I do thing? So I think I am looking for... the toggle screen. Here we go, yeah. This guy does the toggle screen. Oh, it's F1. Okay, well. Let's adjust that a bit here. Right. The screen's right over here. We'll just do this. I think I can do this, right? Oh, no, it doesn't work. There, now it works. Can't do it on the root element because it has no size. Yeah, so we want to mess with the instructions. Get out of here, Twitch commands. Oh wait, shit. No, get out of here, login screen. Controls display. And controls background. Yeah, make this just a little bit bigger. I'm gonna say we're gonna use F2 for the new thing I'm about to make here. Probably don't need that much space. Maybe like half that. And then of course we gotta move that down a bit. Oh, come on. Jeez. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. The fuck? There we go. So I guess we need a little more background. 375 ought to do it. Okay, cool. And we'll just give that G a little breathing room there. It's not quite perfectly lined up, but who cares? Okay. And then I assume when I run this like locally, it's not going to oh no, it all fits. Okay, cool. That was weird. This might be a little too hype for tonight, this music. Do love me some Snowboard Kids soundtrack, but it's a lot of energy. I'm kind of just chilling right now. That could definitely be moved over, I think, but yeah. Graphic design is my passion. Whatever. It doesn't really matter at all. Let's fix the actual issue at hand here. Okay, so I want another canvas underneath all these canvases. Are these actually proper canvases? Oh, they certainly are. Okay. We're gonna call this the Debug canvas. And really, this just needs to be like a big text box, really. Oh, wait, wrong text. And we'll give it a background as well, I suppose. Steal that from you. Put you over here. I feel like just make this like super wide or something. I don't know. How wide is the canvas? I forget. 864. Okay. Zero. Oh wait, no. Oh god, that's right. It needs to be like halfway through it. I'll just manually do it. Screw it. 451. What am I doing here? Oh, right. I think we really want to like get this actually precise, so maybe I should just do the math. So yeah, it's just gonna be 432. Oh! Oh! Right. Okay. And this will be... Well, this one's only half of it, though. Why? Why? Okay, well that's, I guess, what we want. Cool. And then we just want to copy and paste those transforms over here. Didn't work, awesome. What? Sure, why not? Why would anything work, you know? Oh wait, never mind, I just realized it is just like half of it or whatever. Oh, but this one's centered. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my mind here. So, would 0, 0 work for this then? Oh, it totally does. Maybe I should do that for this guy. Center. Boom. So much nicer. Okay, cool. You know, that just makes it more obnoxious to look at. I'm gonna clear this out. I feel like that's maybe wrong to have the event system right there. But whatever. Oh, you know what? Actually, one last thing I wanted to do over here. That's probably going to be too much, or too big of a font for what I want to put in there. That'll be much nicer. Cool. Okay. Which thing has the script I'm looking for? That is the real question here. It's an awkward cut, but hey, whatever. Oh, it's the top level. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I just need another canvas. Gotcha. So Twitch, login info screen. Let's see, instructions username. So this will be the debug log canvas. And I really shouldn't bundle this all in one script, but I'm going to do that. Yeah. So this is for toggling the login screen. Here we go. So basically what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to add like some physical output of the logs, or whatever logs I want to put in there. Just so we can kind of see what's happening in this like real-time version of the game versus like what's running in editor, which seems to be perfectly working with my Twitch commands, whereas the built version does not. Or wait, yeah. Yes, so here we're going to make the F2 button will toggle this like on or off, or toggle the info on and off, and then it will always make the login screen go away. That ought to do it. Just to test this, let's go put some... test text in there. It didn't hide it properly. Oh, that's because I didn't... yeah. I'm actually surprised it didn't null reference earlier. It's weird. Whoops. I'm still not hiding it. Oh, it's not hiding it on a init, which is weird. Did I do that right? Hold on. Like, this should get called on init, I'm pretty sure. Connect. Oh, shoot. I thought I was using the toggle method for that. That makes sense that I'm not. Okay. Okay, that shows up with F2, that's good. It goes away when I press F1. Alright, doesn't seem to be breakable. Cool. Nice, alright, cool. One more question on this. $16, okay. Huh. What the fuck? Does this work? No. No. If I want to take the most recent... like, a stack would be good for this, but I don't want to permanently remove the log messages. I just want to, like, cycle through them, so we kind of need a list for this. So we would want to take, like... we would skip through... oh wait, shoot, what was it? It was 16, yeah. I mean, I guess at that point, you don't even need to do a take, you just have the last 16, so... Okay, so we want to append... what the fuck? that not... Oh, yeah, it does exist. I was like, wait, what the fuck? I thought... I could have sworn you can absolutely append like that to... Oh! Even better. I can append a line. Perfect. And then... have a new input down here for that. Private TMP text. Come on, formatter. What the fuck are you doing to me? I'm gonna check my math on that one, by the way. Just make sure I got this right. What's wrong with this? Oh. I don't know why I didn't make this a list of ints to make this easier on myself. Okay. Cool. I can count. Great. Now just a couple other considerations here. Cool, it does not blow up when there's like less than the amount we need. That was also what I was hoping for. Perfect. Like caps or whatever, yeah. Just a reminder of what that magic number is. There we go. So now we just need to actually pull in logs. Oh, okay, it doesn't know. Okay, let's make a new script called debug logger. There we go. We're getting there. Huh? Wait, why did you load 2 Visual Studios, you son of a bitch? Yeah, fuck up off out of here. Reload it. What the... Bro. Okay, anyway. What the fuck? I do that so much. Oh yeah. So that's just to prevent like weird duplicate situations going on. I'm glad we stuck through this. I was like, you know, I love Snowboard Kids music, but it's kind of intense. But now it's kind of vibing. It's good. It's good stuff. Right. So then. What are we doing here? Wait, no. This needs to be public. Public static log message string message debug.log message. There we go. Incredible. Oh, right. Oh, I'm called log. Wait, no, what? This is already a thing, though. Oh, duh. Log message is a type, though, which is weird. It's throwing me off there. Whoa. Cool. Okay, so we append it there, and then... we retrieve it here. Ta-da! Oh, this mad. Okay, we're gonna close Visual Studio really quick. Something got borked. I'm sure everything is okay now. Please. No, why? What the fuck? No, I'm not enjoying Visual Studio. You keep breaking on me. Fuck off. Well, is it compiling in-game? Because that's kind of all I care about. Yeah, it seems like we're okay. Now I need to make a debug logger. Okay, so Twitch chat parser, you by default... Hold on. Yeah, okay. This thing does the don't destroy on load. I'm gonna attach the debug logger to you. And then, what's happening here? Oh shit, okay, hold on. Oh, I feel like there's like a lot of things that can go wrong in here. Yeah, you know what? That's all good stuff to know. Now, granted, that's an error, but whatever. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Connectors is what I'm looking for. There we go. Yeah, so that handles all that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Wait, where's the decryption? Hold on. Oh, over there. Gotcha, gotcha, okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess we know it's already reaching here because the Twitch commands UI, it shows up, and it shouldn't be showing up if that's not working. Because, yeah, on init, it hides it by default. Crap. Yeah, that's weird. I guess it wouldn't hurt to see this messaging come through. That's for sure. Let's go ahead and add some debugging down here as well, I guess. I guess I have no reason to be suspicious of, that right there. That would be good to know, too. So that'll actually give us, like, the output of what people are typing. So, this will work in editor, but I need to actually, like, build this and then run it, because it's the built version is what's not working for some reason, but this will give us, like, a full-on layout. I guess I should go one layer deeper of, like, checking, you know, did it actually, like, get all the way down here or whatever, but, yeah. Let's just do it here. Actually, wait. Fuck that. Let's do it down here. Debug logger dot log message received a command. Alright. So that's actually good that it's working in editor because we can prove that this logic actually works now. So if I press F2, NRE, cool. How? What the fuck? That shouldn't even happen. Oh, crap. Ah! Got me again. Okay, hold on. Back to this prefab. And I just gotta fill in this guy. No big deal. Alright. Now it'll work. Initializing Twitch chat connector, found save manager, found valid credentials file, finish initializing Twitch chat connector. Now if I type in reverse, it should say, got a reverse command. Oh right, it doesn't update in real time. So. Twitch message received, reverse. Received a reverse command. I'd like to do one thing right now. This won't save us from messages that are like too long, but it will save us from oh, right. Oh, Ah, what are you doing? There we go. Cool. Alright, I'm cool to build this, honestly. I don't really need to retest after that. Project setting. Hold on, chat. I'm hiding myself from the world. That was not the right thing. There we go. You guys don't get to see my... Oh, actually, it was totally safe. Eh, fuck it, I'll leave it off. 1 second. Goon randomizer 2023 0115. And we'll just put a 1 on this, because I'm sure this is not the last build of the night. Let's go ahead and run it. Ow. What an adorable size that window is. Can't help but notice nothing is logged there. That's beautiful. What the fuck? Something must have gone wrong. Shit. Alright, how about a development build? Because that'll show us errors that happen, at least, I guess. It's like... Fuck me, okay. I was gonna say while this builds, I'm gonna go grab another beer, but it's already done. Oh no. Yes, fine, allow access. Wait, was this the issue? Okay, hold on, no. Failed to save message, debug logger was null. Why? Why was it null, though? Here. Let us fuck with the settings. Script execution order. Debug logger. How about you run first, bud? Actually, yeah, screw it. Before the event system. Fuck it. First thing, debug logger. Ah. I could hit build and run. That's true. I guess. It saved me a click. A double click. No errors. Perfect. Finished initializing Twitch chat connector. And yet, chat. And yet, when I type this. Received a reverse commit. Wait, did it actually work? Hold on. No way me adding debug logging fixed this. That's fucking weird. Oh my god, it did. Well, bumping seems to work. Reversing seems to work. Wait a second. No. That's bullshit. Wait. 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 Something's wrong. Hold on. I'm gonna build this in release, and it's gonna not work suddenly. I guarantee it, chat. Like, it was erroring on a log that I didn't... Or on a script that didn't exist prior to this. Like, what the hell? Huh. Interesting. You know, I have Unity Pro and I could just check the box that says, you know, oh my god, it fucking works. Okay, cool. Well, fine, whatever. I'm not gonna... we have the logs now, I guess, if there's any problems or whatever. Let's add one more thing in, though. Just for coverage. Twitch chat connector. Where's your init? Private Bavoid, my favorite. Any exceptions somehow get thrown in here. Oh my god, why is it stuttering so bad? The hell? There. I need to skip this. This is a great... the shop theme is amazing, but oh my god. My ears. Oh, we're like at the end here. Of the soundtrack. Dude, their credit music rocks. Alright. I think we're good. We're good on this. This is fully functional. I'm gonna rebuild one more time. And I'm just gonna delete those other builds, because why not? Okay, cool. Just for sanity's sake, let's go ahead and make sure this is still working. Yep, we're good. This could be a lot bigger, but whatever. One day I will learn how to do Twitch UI properly. Okay, well, Twitch integration's working again. I don't know why it wasn't working, because the error that we fixed was on a script that didn't exist prior to me starting on this. But hey, whatever. I'm just glad it's working. So next on the agenda for tonight, I would like to add in some more commands, and then I want to add some more features to this tool as suggested by chat previously. But before we jump into that, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go run in and grab a new drink. Another drink. There we go. Be right back. I'm back. Just like that. Incredible. Alright. So I've got two ideas. One is letting chat decide where the ball drops. Actually, and then the other is letting chat decide when the ball drops. Oh, and then I had a couple around spinners as well. Yeah, okay. The where the ball drops is gonna be the hard one, but probably the more fun one for everyone. I don't want to make it so just like one person decides where it drops, so like ideally what I want to do is like create a marker that will show where it's going to drop, and it moves like left and right. And then letting it, when it drops, again, I don't want one person to just have power over that, so maybe we don't make that, but instead we make like a timer or something. So like I'll control the timer and when it starts, and then chat would just like fight to like move it left, move it right, with like simple commands, and then it'll like slowly go back and forth, and wherever it drops is just an accumulation of what people put in there. Also, we have reached the end of our soundtrack, but that's okay. I already apparently auto plays on. Here's the Snowboard Kids 2 soundtrack. Why not? Jeez. Yeah. But before all that, I think it'll be a lot faster to do the other commands I'm thinking of. So let's create some commands. Bump, reverse, speed up, slow down, that's too much words. Speed, slow. Or fast, slow. Even better. Even shorter. Fast, slow. I'm thinking like other things we can do to the ball, so we can like increase gravity or decrease gravity. Actually, wait, hold on. What can we do to the ball? Let's go look at that first before we start tinkering too much, you know? That slap base is going off. So... oh, wait a second. I thought we had a physics material attached to this. Well, I guess no matter, that's fine. So we have the drag, the gravity scale, right? Right, so let's make this like 10. So that definitely makes it a lot heavier. And then like 10's a pretty good number, so like then a tenth of it would be like the low gravity version. Oh my god, it's so fucking slow. I hesitate to, like, because you want it to be noticeable, but also you don't want to be too ridiculous. I don't know. Oh, that's good enough. I think 0.5 is a good number. And maybe let's see what, like, 5 is, as opposed to 10 for the higher gravity side of things. Yeah, that's definitely, like, different. Alright, cool. So we should be able to change that. What about its bounciness? Oh, wait, that's on the actual materials more than anything, isn't it? Yeah, let's open up a spinner. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to go that far with that. Oh, okay, so they actually have a material object. So I have to, like, mess with that. Oh, Jesus. Okay, Egg physics? Wait. What the fuck? Okay, it's physics over here, too. Ah, it's messy. Like, grabbing all that info would not be as simple, unfortunately. So I don't know about making it bouncy or less bouncy, but maybe we can do that. I don't know. So that's all inside of its Box Collider 2D. Oh, it really doesn't want you fucking with anything, does it? So this'll work. You can set it too, cool. I don't know... Would this apply to everything if I just take, like, the first one and then set it? Because, like, to me, I'm accessing the material itself, and that'll update it for everything using that material, but I might be wrong about that. I'm not really sure. And can I not access the other stuff that I was looking at? Oh wait, you're a Box Collider 2D, but I'm looking for, it's on the actual ball. Oh, Rigid Body 2D. Oh, okay, yeah. That's all I'm missing, okay. So... Okay, so now we can fuck with the gravity, cool. Good stuff, good stuff. So that's more or less... This obviously isn't going to go in here. I'm just typing this in to make sure it'll compile. Yeah, so I suppose we should do a test with that. So we take any spinner, and then we adjust... We grab the Box Collider out of that, and we can adjust the bounciness that way. That won't mess with the walls, though. If we need to, we can do it on every individual object, but I don't... That might be a little processing heavy if it's like every time someone types something in chat it does that, you know what I mean? Let's start with the simple stuff. We can mess with gravity this way. What does this call out to? I completely forget. Handle command. Oh, it's all in here, so I guess we're basically gonna on the fly do this. I'm gonna need to update the UI too to list these, but that's okay. We can do that. There's no need for a default there. Set player gravity. Wait, sorry. Set ball gravity to 0.5f. Set ball gravity to 5. Also break, because, yeah, don't run that twice. This is a reminder to fucking actually go code that in. Those ones will be simple, I think. Actually, wait. No. Set spinner speed. I feel like this should wear off over a certain amount of time, too. Damn it, yeah. All 4 of these should be things that only last like a couple seconds or something. This is where this should be like its own... Maybe this is where we break this out into a separate script, because it should really be in one anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Damn it. Yeah, let's do that now. Okay, fuck. Actually, you know what? I will want to do things for that. Hey, look. It's even a note from Pascoon saying, "Hey, this should not be in its own thing." Switch command handler. Go ahead and open that up. I can totally type. Great. Batting 1,000 here. Alright. Actually, wait, hold on. I feel like this top part could just be its own thing. Actually, leave the log. Whew. Ah. So then that'll be its own thing. But also... Ah! This will just be on the same behavior, so we'll assume that we can just have one of these. No, not public. Private static Twitch command handler instance. If instance equal null. Debug.log warning. Multiple Twitch command handlers. Deleting this one. Destroy game objects and then return. Otherwise, instance equals this. And we can go ahead and initialize properly here. Cool. I'm regretful of the jank that I am introducing here. Oh, not static. Because I'm going to need to reference some shit. Yeah, that's fine. Boom. Already got the spinners now. Whoa, what the fuck? Don't mind that class that just got referenced right there. That was, something. Oops. I feel like that's maybe a little extraneous, but fuck it, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so what we want is private float seconds until gravity resets and seconds until spinners spinner speeds reset. Yes. I just realized something horrible. Also, my Visual Studio seems to have completely exploded. What the fuck? Oh, wait, I was hitting Windows click, not control click. There we go. Crap. Oh, wait, actually, no. Yeah, no. I need to add more stuff to that. Okay, hold on. What are you mad about? Oh, yeah, don't be static. Ta-da! There, now this can't be static. There we go. God, fucking Snowboard Kids music goes so hard. I don't know why, like, such a good game. Such a good 2-game series. I don't know. Ah, can I please type? Jesus Christ. Okay. That'll work. And I guess we need one for reset speed. Now, granted, doing it this way will make it so that chat cannot just infinitely keep speeding up the spinners. But I think that's worth it. I don't know. At a certain point, like, they're only gonna get so fast. They're already pretty freaking fast. Like, I think doubling them from where we're at is totally, like, fine. Like, that'll be noticeable. Okay, so we need to call these, but otherwise we are good. I can't help but think there's like a fancy way I could do this, but we're gonna do it the dumb way. Seconds until speeds reset equals wait, equals speed change duration. I think like 5 seconds of it would be fine as a starting point. We're gonna do that for both of these, 5 seconds as a starter, and then we'll see how it feels, and we can adjust it if we need to. Gravity change duration. I don't know why it insists on doing that. I've always hated attributes on the same line as a thing. It makes it really hard to visually parse. For me, anyway. Pardon my hiccup, or goddamn. Like, holy shit. My headphone cable loves to get snagged on the wheels of my chair. I don't know why. Makes me want to go wireless. These are really these are actually super comfortable and like nice headphones, but fucking hell, I hate this goddamn wire. Like they go into my like monitor here, like, and it's really like high quality audio, but like shit. I really wish I could take that piece out of the equation, you know? Instead of reverse, we want to do double speed. Ooh, I just thought of something. Stopping the spinners would be pretty fun too, I suppose. We'll add that in. And honestly, we could probably, yeah, that's fine to reuse all that. Again, this code is so similar. All I need to do is like parameterize. Like, I could do that too. I could have a I could pass a func in as a parameter, but that's just infinitely more hard to like read when you're like, what the fuck is this code doing? So I'm not gonna do it for that reason. Like, it's just it's not worth it. Trust me, chat. Promise. Okay. Boom. See? Easy fucking fix there, chat. I don't know if I love the, like... Honestly, I don't know. I'm not gonna, like, start lambasting other game developers or anything, but I see this in a lot of, like, example videos, like, showing you how to do stuff, specifically in Unity, where it's, like, it's embracing this, like, command pattern where you have, like, a static instance of a class, and you just, like, hold an instance on the actual class itself, and then you can, like, call stuff from wherever. It's very convenient, but I feel like it creates really messy bugs. Like, I don't think you should do that. Having said that, I will neither confirm or deny whether Strayloid has any code like that in it. And it may or may not be specific to one platform or another. That is all. I don't get it. The commands get queued? No, it's... sorry, let me explain it. Sorry, yeah, I've really breezed past that. So, this is a bad example, probably, but... you know, the class I just made is a better example. Let's go here. So, basically, I'm trying to make a singleton. Well... a singleton that you also don't need a reference to is the other half of it. It's like really jank-ass IOC, basically. But, like, this way you can reference, like, the commands to actually, like, invoke something on it. So, for example, this thing is handling, like, a command that's coming in from, like, Twitch chat, in another script, and then that thing doesn't need a reference to the actual, like, instance of the class that's running here. It can just call the static method instead. Actually, in this case, these two things are going to be on the same object. I could just probably pass one to the other. That's what I should do, and I'm probably going to change it to that. But, anyway, to finish explaining what the pattern is basically you have a static variable on your class that is the class itself, and you use that, so like in this handle command, first you always check if it's oh, I didn't check if it's null. Hold on. You always want to check if it's null, because if it is, then problems occur. But that, yeah, then you can just directly invoke the instance of something using that static thing. And really all that saves you from is like having to reference stuff everywhere. So like a better example actually, so I think this is warranted for this class that I made earlier tonight, this debug logger. So like I want a central place where I can just like log stuff, and I don't want to have to like go look up the reference to it, or like have to like insert the reference everywhere on everything that might want to log something. So in this instance, like I'm setting it up. If one already exists in the constructor, or well, this isn't constructor. This is the start, so it happens like on the first, like before the first frame gets processed of like an update loop. It's gonna like check and see, do I already have one of these? If so, log something and blop it. Why not make the whole class static? Why have instances involved at all? So the reason for that is stuff that you want to like preload. The debug logger, I might be able to get away if I made this like, if I made this list static, I might be able to get away with that. I would just have to do a little more like interlocking and making sure that like I'm not dirtying the list in any way with like things happening concurrently, which is totally doable. But over in this instance over here, there's operations I actually want to do and like preload. So like for example, I can't pass references to all the spinners in the scene into this because I might be on a different scene. So what I want to do is load all those in. Actually, as I'm saying this out loud, that's gonna be wrong. Shit. Okay. Damn it. Damn it. Okay. But in a theoretical world where this thing's getting referenced all over the place, but you're kind of getting to the point though here, Appio. Like, that's the problem. Like this pattern is weird and like it kind of fucks stuff up. What I want to do is basically on scene start, for this at least. Hold on, there's got to be a way to do that. Might be on activate. No. This is so wrong. Here we go. Here's what I'm actually looking for. I'll be called once, even when a new scene is loaded, for objects that don't destroy on load. Wait. On-enable will be called if you disable and re-enable an object after the first object is enabled in creation. Scene manager on scene loaded. Oh god. Even if there's an instance, surely you have to avoid two threads messing with that instance, right? Well, that's what this first line is here. Like, at this point, we're... Well, okay, I guess to back up, like, I don't know how familiar with Unity you are. To that end, like, if there's a... Like, things are essentially running... They don't really run in parallel. You can kind of approach some sort of, like, threading in Unity. But effectively, everything's kind of running in, like, sequence, just really fast. And if I go over here... That's what I did earlier. So earlier, I messed with this tab over here of the script execution order. So you can actually tell it, like, okay, here's the order these scripts should run in. So, like, you can kind of cheat and, like, ensure that, like, this thing is always going to run before this other script or whatever. Because I was getting an error where, like, one thing was initializing before something else that I wanted to, like, mess with. So I just put, like, okay, well, this one goes first. So when updates are running, they're not so much running like in like, you know, whatever level of threading the computer has available. It's more so running in sequence really fast. Yeah, it's like a Z order. Yeah, no. Yeah. It's honestly, that's what I just showed you sucks as much as it is like helpful. Like it's not the most efficient thing, but it also helps you like organize things a lot better, I think. Also, I'm like shouting, I'm sorry. I hope I'm not clipping my mic. This is good discussion though. I like this. This is cool. So to circle back around to your original question though, you're right. I don't think that this is like a good pattern. I don't think you should do this. But it is hella convenient. It saves me a lot of like coordination and like setup and stuff. There is probably a time and a place for this somewhere. I'm sure I'm abusing it here, like in every instance that I have it set up for. Like completely, I take no claim of like, oh, this is great. There's probably some reason it's good. I don't know though. Yeah, I've never really read somewhere like advocating like this is why this is right. I've just seen people use it a lot, and it's the classic like I learned it from watching you. Anyway, let me do something way more disgusting than this design pattern. So, because I don't want this to run just once, we're gonna do it this way. Oh wait, hold on. What does it want out of me? Oh wait. That's all it wants out of me. No, it wants more. What else the fuck does it want? Load, scene mode. Don't care about that shit. Just reset this each time a scene loads. Oh no, events! Oh god, if you think this abuse of events is bad, you should see the source code to Straylight. we rolled our own fucking event system, and I don't know why. Actually, no, I do know why. It's because we built it on an old-ass version of Unity that didn't have, like, the proper event system in place. No, bummer. Yeah, it's... I mean, it's functional. It fucking works. It's just, it's not good, chat. It's not good. That's not a dig at the devs that did that, because technically I've only really added to it. I'm not the one that set it up, but like, it was necessary at the time. But we really should have adapted that at some point and updated it, and I'm equally as culpable for not doing so as him. For sure I have not used C# event system in a single time, thank goodness. Or I have not used C# events a single time. That seems impossible. This is okay. Not to dox your work history, but like I feel like working in like enterprise C#, you will actually no. You know what? That's more of like a enterprise C++ thing. Yes and no. Sorry, I just had like a flashback to an internship I had like 10 years, literally probably over 10 years ago at this point. Where I was using Visual C++ and it was horrible. Chat, I probably told this story before on stream, but I'm gonna tell it again. There was a time we were trying to get our application to run as a 64-bit application. This is like an eon ago. And fucking... I'm sorry, I'm already laughing about it. The main hurdle we hit, I've barely seen him. main hurdle we hit was like we had a lot of third-party like DLLs we were using. For this was for like physical hardware that we were calling out to, and it was like made by like different manufacturers, and we supported some that were coming from companies that didn't even exist anymore. So like some of them we already had like a 64-bit version of the DLL. Some of them we could reach out to them and be like, hey, do you have this? Can you, and if the answer is no, can you build it? But some of them like were companies that literally didn't even exist, but we still had to support the software. So to deal with those, I built a fucking comm app, or two ends of a comm app that would send messages out to the 32-bit DLL, which was on like a server, and then send messages back from that. So 64-bit application using comm to communicate with a 32-bit application running on a server, and like sending the data back and then dealing with any sort of like bit math that it needs to do to deal with that. It was fucking disgusting, but it worked. Nice? No, not nice. Very much not nice. Anyway, I'm sorry. I got off on a huge tangent there. I'm gonna need to go reset everything in a second here. How much, I feel like there can't be that... Oh, we're only halfway through. Wow, there's a lot of music in this game. I was worried we were nearing the end of this soundtrack. Sorry, I already know what I'm gonna play next, so it doesn't matter. Not that I'm gonna tell chat, but... okay, so we need a new thing inside of the ball dropper script. We'll just call it set gravity, honestly. I don't know. And then there should be a reset gravity in there too, I think, because we'll need it. I guess this can be static, but why not? Because that's already using static methods exclusively, so that's okay. Alright, ball dropper. Yeah, red text. Fuck you, IntelliSense. You know what, honestly? My Visual Studio is so fucked right now, I don't know what the fuck happened. Wait, no, public. Public void set gravity float. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. We're just gonna set this, and then we'll call it with 1.0 because we know that is what we're using, I guess. Perhaps I should be safe and like have a reset method and save what we had at the beginning, but I don't know. Screw it. It can't be a static method because we need to track this. So here's actually probably a fairly good answer of why the whole class can't just be static. Aside from what I said previously, stuff like this where you want to track, like have something get tracked on a timer, and then, so for example, I'm trying to reset the gravity after a certain number of seconds. So seconds till gravity resets, and that's an attribute of the class, and it needs to be that because inside this update loop, I want to be like constantly counting down that timer until it's at 0, and then have something happen when it's at 0. So that's probably a pretty good use case of why I wouldn't just have a fully static class, but maybe not a valid use case of like why isn't this class not static at all. If that makes sense, I don't know. Okay. Handle, wait. Handler. Handle, speed, reset. Ah! Dude, I can't fucking type. That's bad. Oops. So what I'm looking for here is, if that's not the case, or subtract that by the number of seconds that have passed since the last time update's been called, and then if that is less than or equal to 0, reset your speed for all the spinners, and then we're good. Likewise down here. I feel like there should almost just be a shorthand way to do this. like these two lines should just have like a method call in Unity, because I feel like this is a very common pattern when you have like a timer for something. And maybe even like this third line somehow, where you just do like an if statement check and it will handle like all three of those operations. Where it like short circuits itself to like not even bother checking if you're already under 0 prior, but then subtracted by whatever the number of seconds past its last update call was, and then return yes or no for whether it is now under 0 or not. Now, granted, I could easily write a method like that, but fuck you, how about that? Anyway. Boom. Okay. So in theory, all these new commands should work, I think, right? We got them all in here. We got fast, slow, stop, moon, heavy. Now I need to update that Twitch chat window on the right, but that's neither here nor there. Alright, chat. Well, actually, I can test fast and slow real easy. The Twitch command handler is null. And no one was surprised. That goon forgot to add an instance of something. Oops. Alright, how about now? No! What's null? What? Fuck you. No way. Oh, the spinners. Oh, you know what? Shit. Okay, the first time we need to do this. Then we let the scene loaded handle it. Whoops. Hey, it slowed down. Nice. Now this will blow up, right? Yeah. Okay, so... it should work now. Yeah, so it only... okay, now it's working. Dope. Looks like all those work, actually. I kind of wanted to just... you know what? I think I might change gears from here. And maybe we'll just work on the other features that people requested rather than more Twitch commands. I think these are all functional. The one thing I'm going to do before I switch gears, though, I want to... yeah, we gotta null check this everywhere that we call get ball. That just, like, adjusted my code. The fuck? Oh, no, it didn't. Never mind. I thought it, like... I thought I copied if ball not equal null. But no, it was, like, straight up just already the text. Never mind. Visual Studio got really smart for a second. So now, if people type it early... heavy... what? How is it still no referencing? Oh, did I forget a spot? Oh, crap. Okay, yeah, the ball is null is what we need to do. Yeah, that's fair, I guess. If ball... wait. If ball is null, return... oh, or that, I guess, would work too, right? So we don't need that null checking over here. In fact, actually, over here as well, I think that can always just be fine. Bump shouldn't cause issues. It's whether or not the actual... the ball dropper is always in the scene. It's just whether the ball is in the scene or not. Yeah. Huzzah! Boom. Okay, everything's working. Good. Yeah, so that's good. Oh, right, the UI. Let's update the UI really quick here. Twitch, commands. Here they are. Alright, I hate that already. Thanks. I guess I could make this wider. I don't know. I think it's better to just have it go down and then... because the main version of this will actually be, like, a lot different. Bump, reverse, moon... heavy... fast, slow. That probably needs at least 250, possibly more. Yeah, even more. Give it the even 300. A little less than that. Maybe like 270, 280, I guess. 290. 290 is where it's at. Alright, cool. I am going to take this moment to also freaking align this crap. Oh. That's why it's like that. How about this? Ta-da. It's boss music, though. Oh wait, shoot. Put that back, because unlocked, I think, is... yeah. No, wait, right, it goes that way. Whatever. It's way more aligned than it was. I'm happy with it. Now, is it off screen now? Totally. But if I build this, you'll see all of that. I'm gonna commit this code before we continue here tonight. But also... where did my... oh, I'm on the wrong repo. I'm like, where did this go? What the hell? We'll commit that in a second, but also give me a break, or give me a break. Give me a break here, chat. I'm gonna take a break here, chat. I'll be right back, and then we're gonna start adding general features to the game, I think, from here on out for the rest of the night. So I know people requested some stuff that's not necessarily Twitch chat integration related, that I think is kind of neat, and I'd like to put in the game. So that's what's coming up next. Be right back, y'all. I'm back. Hello, chat. Don't mind me. Ooh, baby. You guys are heavy. We're gonna need a new soundtrack soon, except I know what I'm gonna pull up. Let me get that ready. We got a couple more songs in here. I'll let this play out, I think. Snowboard Kids soundtrack's great. So, let me open up the old suggestion list here. Okay. Oh. Okay, I actually had a thing on there that was like, hey, make sure you put in an explanation for what F1 does. The admin drop ball command. I don't... that was just like letting people do that. I don't think so. Pix first time connect on Twitch commands don't work. We might have might have fixed that. I'm not sure. A ball trail, alternate ball skins, and a squeak/gnome noise on landing. Alright, let's work on that, chat. We're starting with that. No. These 2-second long songs in the end of the soundtrack here. Oh, it already has a script for floor. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, so we've got a floor script. We don't have anything to place sounds with. I'm gonna make a very quick and dirty script for this. This is just gonna be sound manager. And that's gonna... Oh, no, hey! Alright, Visual Studio stopped being annoying. Cool. Whoa. Oh, right, it's called a clip, not a... Wait, audio clip. There we go. Landing sound. Boop, 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 boop. I'm thinking about how I want to do this. This will be handled in another script anyway, but this is fine for now, I guess. Serialize field. Does this have a thing? Okay, it doesn't. Never mind. I wonder if there's an optional parameter in there for like the actual name you want it to show up as, but there's not. This is going to be a thing I think I'll just put in each scene separately. Yeah, that seems like the right thing to do. We're going to make a prefab and just like copy and paste it into each scene. But also I'm going to use that horrid pattern again. Actually here, I feel like a general like sound playing class is a pretty good like use case for these. I think that's where I actually started using this pattern, is in the sound manager in a game I made a long time ago. I don't need update, but we do need start. That's all we need to start to do. Oh shit. We need an audio source too. We'll just call it audio source, fuck it. We only need one, so... Dude, I really cannot type tonight. Holy shit. Now, this can only play one song, true, or one sound at a time, true. But also, I'm only planning to add one sound right now, so, you know. It evens out. Okay. That's all we need as far as, like, actually scripts for playing the sound. This, by the way, this is a very quick and dirty way to, like, set up audio for your game. That's all, honestly. And you can, it's like, this is like a decent pattern to, like, build stuff out if you want to do something, like, semi-complex, but, like, real talk, though, actually, if anybody wants this, like, as an aspiring game developer or whatever, my immense recommendation would be to use something such as Fmod or like any of those like frameworks that exist out there for playing audio. You will get a lot more bang for your buck there. If you're trying to make like a long-term project or whatever. But if you're just like trying to like, you know, just get something off the ground that plays sounds and stuff or whatever, this can work. This isn't a tutorial. I don't know why I'm like talking like this, but you know, just some advice, friendly advice. Okay, so this is fine, and then we need another script, actually, which is going to be called Play Sound When Ball Hits Ground. And we won't need either of these. But we want on collide. That's not right. Private void. That also isn't right. Fuck, what is it called? On collision enter. There we go. But that's not quite right. Alright, hold on. Unity on collision enter 2D. Thank you. Jesus. And then it takes a collision 2D as a parameter. Okay, cool. The fact that you're not blue anymore makes me nervous. What the fuck? Or maybe blue was bad, actually. No, because blue should be... This is like a proper... Yeah, hold on. Now you're... Something ain't right, but this is actually, I just copied that out of the example here. Ah, you son of a bitch. There we go. Don't mind me, chat. Just literally pulling hair out of my head. I don't know if this is right, but it's what we're gonna do. Last. I just realized something. Hold on. Hey chat, guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to fucking commit my code when I came back down here. Oops. That's okay. These are new scripts, so I can ignore these two when I commit them. That's okay. Whoa. Wait. Yeah, that's definitely what I pressed. Thank you. If the last cooldown is null, actually, wait, hold on. Let's make this one obnoxiously long return statement. If the last cooldown's null or current time minus last floor collision dot total, what the fuck? Dot value total seconds is greater than the sound cooldown time. Clear as mud, right, Chad? We take now. Wait, yes, that's right. Now minus the last time we hit the floor, and then take the number of seconds that is and compare it against the setting for like number of seconds, and that's, if it's more than that, then yes. If it's less than that, then no. Or I guess equal to. If somehow these values are equal in this like ridiculously precise calculation. Should also say true in that case. Cool. Okay. I feel like there's a more concise sentence I could put for this tooltip, but also fuck it. Alright, let's commit our last code. I will ignore that. I could stage this stuff in here, right? Oh, no. No. Damn it. Alright, fine. Whatever. I'll just include the extra scripts and then, like, whatever, I guess. I don't know. Okay, what did we change? We added... Oh, yeah, okay. Added... Set gravity... Or wait. Added... New... Switch... Commands for changing gravity... Added new Twitch commands and debugging window. Increase gravity command. Decrease gravity command. Speed up spinners command. slow down, spinners, command, UI for showing debug logs, helper, or yeah, helper text for hide, show, debug logs, and Twitch login fixed Twitch command, wait, Twitch command, Twitch integration, built versions of game, added scripts for playing sounds when hitting ground not wired up. It's my insanely long commit message. There we go. Push that shit. Hey, right on time. We just finished that video. Okay, next soundtrack. Next soundtrack. Hey, what's up, Moonfire? Or Moon3Fire? How are you doing? What is this mad about? Okay, I don't know why that's mad about that. It exists. Thank you, Unity. Whatever, I'm just gonna clear that message. Oh, nope, it's still mad, apparently. That's okay. I'm gonna ignore that, because when we actually hit play, it'll probably work. So, what we want to do is wire up that sound script that I just made. Like I said, I'm going to make a separate thing for this. Except there's someone who screams Unity on Twitch. Welcome to the Twitch, or sorry, the Unity stream. I'm certainly not married to Unity. I would like to do more exploration to other game engines one day. But right now I have like a couple projects going that are in Unity, so we're in Unity. You know, it's just what it is. I was Unity dev for like 3 months, but got tired of game dev. That's entirely fair. Yeah. What was I making? I was making... Okay, so we want to make... This basically should just be an empty script, more or less. Yeah, so this is going to be called the audio player. Hey, what's up, D314? How you doing? Thank you for the follow, Moonfire, as well. Listen, I'm not here to call you out, D314, but I do appreciate that you always, like, show up at degenerate hours for your time zone. Is it bumping? Yeah, oh my god. Okay, I fixed that, and I don't really know how I fixed that. But if it breaks again, we have logging, so we'll know why it's broken. Like, there's no reason why it should have, like, fixed itself, but it fixed. Hold on. I'm sorry. I need to... okay, it's already set to 2D. Okay, we're fine then. This is whatever. Pass yourself into yourself. And then we need an audio clip. Pardon me, Chad. I'm just ripping some audio off of the internet. Oh, oh shit. Pardon me. I need to cut that down some more, though. There's way too much lead time. Okay, hold on. Listening to the Bomberman 64 soundtrack, by the way, right now. Oh, I certainly am. Yeah, we've moved on from the part where I fixed Twitch chat integration. I also added new commands. And now we are just like, what are we doing? We are adding features that you guys requested. So as you requested specifically, D314, we are going to put in the ball trail next. Yes, heavy is a drop down, or heavy makes the gravity high, moon makes the gravity light, fast makes the spinners go faster, slow makes the spinners go slower. And by slower and faster, I mean when you type fast, it will go 2 times whatever the spinner was going previously, and then 1/2 whatever it was doing previously. For 5 seconds. That also applies to the gravity. The gravity resets after 5 seconds. Switch API work with C#? Yeah, actually, so funny story. So I wrote this code on my own, but then I lost the code, because it's on a computer, which I'm still fixing. Even though I'm not really, like, I know what's wrong with the computer, I just need to go fix it. I need to reapply the thermal paste to the CPU. It's overheating. Anyway, point is, I was a dumbass and didn't check any of that into any source control. I was planning to, I just hadn't done it yet. But then I rewrote that code using ChatGPT, and it basically just gave me, like, all the code. It uses the IRC endpoint that you can connect to Twitch with, and then it just has, like, a token that you give it to, like, authenticate. Predict Moon versus Heavy was Heavy Wars, lol, yeah. Hey, yeah, okay, I did it on stream, like, I think it was 2 weeks ago. And I was shocked at how complete the code was. Like, I basically didn't change any of this code. I wrote some stuff around it, I erased a couple lines and, like, just shortened some stuff, but, like, it was perfect. Like, it was Mantis who came up with the tracker line. Oh, I thought it was you. Huh. Did you say the GNOME thing then? I know you suggested something. I have the whole list of everything everyone suggested. Some of it I'm not gonna do, but some of it I will. The alternate skins I know is one. I'll do that, but I don't know what I want to do for that yet, and how I want to control, like, what skin of the ball gets dropped. That shouldn't be too hard to do, honestly. We'll probably do that tonight. Trails are up next, though, for sure. People started suggesting sounds, and I was like, all those sounds seem great to me. Maybe I just attributed some credit to to you for no reason. Fair enough. He's too modest, folks. Anyway, sorry, I derailed myself, as I often do. But hey, that's why I'm streaming. You know? Like, I'm here to chat with people. Fuck it. Talk about whatever. Oh, we need the audio clip. Okay, I downloaded the MP3. I'm gonna open Audacity really quick. It's mine now. Also, I'm working on I'm like definitely way overly cautious about this, but I'm working on a Discord. I'm gonna make an actual Discord for my my fucking stream. Do I need that first part? I don't even know. Help. Help, chat. I don't know why this is like this. Oh no, yeah, we need all. Okay, that's all of it. Also, as you guys probably can't see this, but do you see this fucking... I'm sorry, there's like kanji in my like audio sources and it's showing up here. I don't know why that is. I legitimately have no idea. This old ass jank computer. Wait, hold on. Pardon me. Interesting, right? It probably just says the same text that's already up there, but I have no idea why it's doing that. I know I'm boomerang right now, but like, what the fuck is that? Don't. It's true. I don't know why I'm making these folders as if I'm gonna have any more sound effects than just this. I could just toss it in the fucking assets folder and be fine. How big is this file? Should I compress that more? Okay, it's 4.68 kilobytes. I think that's okay to check into a repository. That's just battle scars right there. You should have most of your sounds in there and then choose at random. That is very doable, actually. The only downside to that is the sounds that play on my channel, those aren't like sounds that I uploaded to the service I use to play them when you guys channel Point Redemption. Those are just, they're in the ether. I don't have them. I'm sure I could find all of them. They're not like niche sound effects or anything like that. But for example, just to show you how the sausage is made, I fucking downloaded a goddamn YouTube video, then cut it up in Audacity to like make that sound. Like I don't have the GNOME sound on my hard drive somewhere. ChatGPT is not powerful anymore. It doesn't want to show me rootkit code example. No. I've had a lot of like insane success and then also just like really bad experiences. Like I don't know. You gotta tune it in just right. I don't know if they added some safety stuff for like that because they don't want to make like hacking too easy or something. I don't know, but I feel like part of like cybersecurity is informing people on how hacking works. So like, to some degree, you want to explain that stuff, but I don't know. It's a double-edged sword, right? Because you're also opening it up to like hackers and stuff. But I am by no means a security expert. Make it a total carnival of chaos fest, and have everything have a sound effect. Hits on ball, the ball drop, commands, etc. That'd be fun too. Use a free program, Lab Chirp, to generate sound effects for the past 2 months. I should check that out. Hold on. Thank you, Epia. I'm actually gonna go check that out. I know there's a pretty good, like, not consortium. There's a pretty good like resource of like open source sound effects. Actually, there's multiple, but freesound.org is like one that I see cited a lot. I have a passion for low-level programming. Right on. Like, I mean, that's cool stuff. I've been in that world, but I've never like. I guess I've gotten paid in that world. You could call me a professional on the matter. A couple internships back like many years ago. I used to work on an embedded systems team in a like engineering plant as an intern, but I got to show them how shaders work, and we used it to like simulate an altimeter inside of a like digital cockpit. It was neat. Anyway, I'm getting super sidetracked here. Sure, read the manual though. It's short. I won't. I'm gonna not read it and then complain. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about my past coding experience. I'm only here for the sidetracking. While you come to the right stream, D314. Ah, jeez. Okay, so we got it. So to answer your question, this wasn't even a question. It was a suggestion. Actually, I'm gonna put that on the suggestion board, but I'm probably not gonna do it tonight. Because it's just gonna require a lot of like preparation. But like code-wise, all I need to do, make this parameter an array, and then just pass a bunch of different sounds into it, and then just write like another line of code inside my sound manager that just picks one item from that array instead of just a static one. And that's all. That's literally all I need to do. Ooh. Which I absolutely would not mind do. Oh my god. Sorry, chat. This Scotch ale is hitting pretty hard. The dirty bastard. It's called. That's what this is called. Dirty bastard. By the way. The what now? It's a Scotch ale. Man, okay. I'm gonna go on a beer rant, but I'm not sidetracking myself. I'm gonna keep moving forward on this. I think we're actually good to test this at this point. I need to attach the scripts. We got one script here, but I also need to make this a prefab and insert it in all the scenes, but we can just test this scene, that's fine. But I also need to put in on the actual ball dropper itself. Where is that? I think it's on the main camera. Yeah, it is. Okay. Just need to add play sound when ball drop hits. Oh wait, crap. No. No. We need to add this to any balls we drop, which is fine. We would do that inside the bucket generator. That's fine. Anyway, so Scotch ales. I feel like I am like chasing the dragon on Scotch ales. I used to live with a roommate that would brew beer, and not every single one of the beers that he made was amazing, but he had this weird process when he made Scotch ales that was like not how you make a Scotch ale, but it made for a very tasty beer. And I have never had any beer that has tasted anything like it. And every time I like get a Scotch ale, either at a bar or like, you know, I'm buying a 6-pack or whatever, I feel like I want that taste again, and I can't find it. Like, it's so unique. And honestly, I think what he was doing was just he wasn't like letting it ferment enough, so like an incomplete beer. But it tasted pretty damn good. Also, it was really strong, so like you'd think, you know, oh, maybe it's a lighter beer. No, it's stronger than most Epio, by the way, you know this guy by reputation because it's the guy that your brother sat next to at that one job. How similar, in parallel to how we used to sit next to each other at another job. that guy. You know the guy. I mean, I'm sure you've probably never actually met him, but you know who he is. The type name is just a rough guide. He also made a barley wine that was very good, but I've also had other barley wines that taste like that. So it was just a very solid barley wine. Barley wine. Barley wine. The fuck am I doing here, chat? Okay, I think it's called Generate Ball, right? Nope. Okay, I know this. What? How? Oh, this is the ball dropper is what I'm looking for. Wait, oh, crap. Okay. Oh, Jesus. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. The ball dropper is fine. Yeah, okay, we make a new one. And then we add a component for play sound when ball collides with ground. Boom. Why are you mad about this? How is there a possible NRE after this? We just instance. Oh, because the as. Yeah, okay. It's not gonna happen though. What does? Oh, it return. Wait, really? Instantiate returns an object? That is bizarre. That is beyond bizarre. Anyway, we're fine. That really should just return a game object. IMO, but hey, what do I know? Oh wait, the ball dropper is also on this thing. Okay, I clicked on the wrong script, chat. Alright. Yeah, it's bizarre, isn't it? Do you have a Bembo near you? I know that name, but why do I know that name? Feel free to type commands, chat. I don't care. I want to see that the sound plays when it hits the ground. It didn't play! Damn it. Big bumping. It's not erroring though, which is weird. Okay, I need to look at this ball. Here's the ball. It has the play sound when ball hits ground clip. Well, chat, it's time to debug. Wait, that's a terrible idea, but we're gonna do it. Where's the sound play? Didn't work. We'll figure it out, though. Oh, there's build errors. Wait, no. There's not build errors. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna close Visual Studio. Visual Studio is being a piece of work right now. I guess I could put debug logs in there if I'm really desperate, but I'm hoping that this will just work. I should really install 2022. But also, this computer, like, this is temporary. I know I've been streaming on this computer for like 2 months now, but I swear this is temporary. I have to get my other computer fixed before the end of the month because I want to stream my game when it comes out on the day it comes out. Which, incidentally, is a Tuesday, which is a day I stream on. Yeah, I mean, it might be something like that. Like, yeah. I've had infinite problems with 2020, or with 2019 on my work laptop for some reason. But, like, on this personal PC, it seems to mostly work. It's being very temperamental about my Text Mesh Pro library right now. I might need to actually reload my project to fix that, but I don't think that matters. I don't know. I think we're just gonna, like, we're gonna go ahead and just, what am I looking for here? We're just gonna log stuff about it, and then deal with it that way. Should it compile a visual? It totally should, like, it's a valid library and everything. It's just, it's being very weird right now. I could probably try restarting everything that I'm running right now, and it would probably work, but, dude, these 3 songs are like 2 seconds long. Love that. We're gonna spam our, our logs right now. Holy crap. Dude, Bomberman is so... It's just like Kirby, where it's like... It's a very cute mascot, but then, like, the game's, like, story-wise gets so intense. You're trying to save the script by Control-S, doesn't Unity compile it for you? Yeah, and it's compiling just fine. It's, like, inside of Visual Studio, it's, like, having a reference error for some reason. You have to try Rochefort 10, Trapistan, or number 8. They seem to be accessible over the states. What is that? I'm looking... Hold on. What is that? Google, help me. Oh. I'm sure I can find that around me somewhere. I've never seen this bottle before, but I'm sure I can find that. I'll give it a try, for sure. Only used VS Code for Unity Dev, never had problems with it. Yeah, honestly, that's actually what I should be just using Visual Studio Code, because it's not like I'm using half the features of Visual Studio. Like, VS Code would just be so much more lightweight. Like, it would save me so many headaches, I think. Something you'll be happy to have tasted. It's amazing. Nice. Check it out. As so often, Vidus has errors galore, but everything compiles. Yeah, you know, again, I'm certainly not, like, here championing Microsoft as like, oh my god, they're so great, they can do no wrong. Like, yeah, they're not so great a lot of the time. Ooh. Alright, this is gonna be spammy as hell, but it'll work. The thing is, it's like working fine as far as like functionally, right? It's very strange. Sorry that your Twitch messages are coming through here. You fuckers. Entered collision with floor. Yes. Wait. Oh no. Hold on. It didn't recognize that was a collision with the actual like floor. Floor script. Okay, hold on. I miss how the SFX cooldown works. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I totally missed your question because it was add an exclamation point at the end of it rather than a. Or wait, no, there was no punctuation at all. So the cooldown works like this. So like, I just take date time now. This is bad. This is not right. Or well, this is functionally correct, but you probably shouldn't do it this way. Oh my god. Okay, well this is wrong, but also it shouldn't be. It's not the issue of what's happening. There we go. If anything, that would be playing the sound too many times. But oh my god. Okay, here's what I was doing wrong. I was saying, okay, here's the collided object, right? Give me the other thing I collided with, which is myself. So it was never the right object. Once per X seconds. Yeah, there's a setting on here that I have, and it will just check, like, what is the time between current time and the last time we hit the floor, and then give me the number of seconds between that and compare it against this configurable value. That's how we know. Yeah. Nothing too crazy. A little jank to be certain. Let's go ahead and we'll generate some buckets for this, I guess. Why not? Oh god, here we go again. Chat. Hey! It should do it again now when it hits. Okay, that was pretty fast. What the fuck? Stop it. Well, I'm gonna do it again. Hot front. Oh god. Low gravity plus bump. Okay, it's definitely doing it too fast. Something's wrong here. That cooldown is not working. Oh, it's set to 0. That's why it's not working. Heavy gravity makes the bump stronger? No fucking way. It was on moon gravity. Hold on. Let me look at the chat logs. Yeah, no, the last thing you guys typed was moon. Fuck you. Unless I missed something, I don't know. Hold on though. Fucking... Oh, shoot. The last was heavy? Really? Hold on. See moon by you. Oh, wait. Shit, it said heavy. What? That shouldn't be possible. I'm only altering gravity when I do that, and the way that it does, like, a bump is just based on impulse. Oh, no. That shouldn't change anything. I don't know. Maybe we just got a particularly lucky boost right there, and nothing, like... I don't know. That sounds far-fetched, but I mean... Here, we'll try it again. But also... Crap. So I wanted to set this... Oh, fuck. Okay, This is tough. The bounce does not or the bounce calculates... The bounce is actually handled off of the thing you're colliding with, not so much what is bouncing. I actually think we just got like a really specifically lucky impulse force there. That it was just like perfectly like launch it out of here as best you can. The floor is not more heavy. So the way Moon and Heavy, they both just alter the gravity on the ball, nothing else. So when we apply a force to it, it maybe that is the way that like default Unity physics work. This is why you don't want to like use default anything in an engine ever. Seems like something is wrong. Yeah, let's test that. But also, I need to fix this first. So the issue we have here is we kind of don't want to we want to set this over in the ball dropper because we're adding the script dynamically over here. And that should give us the thing back, right? Yeah. Oops. Okay, it's 8 AM. I should go. Have fun. Thanks. Likewise. Take care. Enjoy your day. And or rest or whatever you're doing. Yeah, seems about right. Sorry, I'm more focused on this right now than anything else, honestly. Oh wait, hold on. What the fuck? Oh. That should have been public. My bad. There we go. Even earlier? Australia? I suck with time. It's fair. I certainly can't do that in my head right now. Australia is like almost a full 12 hours like ahead of me, so that would be like 11 AM. I don't think that they're there. It's not exactly 12 hours ahead, because well, actually, Australia probably spans multiple time zones, doesn't it? Alright, hold on. Let me go look up a world clock right now. So it's 1 PM in Tokyo. It's 4 AM in London. Alright, that's not a good world clock here. What about Sydney? It's 3 PM in Sydney. Okay, so it's even further. Okay, I'm fucking wrong. What about, like, Perth or something? I don't know. Okay, it's 12 PM in Perth. We're getting closer. But even... No, yeah. Even on the, like, western edge of Australia, it's still over 12 hours ahead of where I'm at right now. Paris? Hold on. No, wait, they said 8 AM, didn't they? Thinking Eastern Europe? Maybe. We're on this now, chat. Oh, also, that's a good point. No, Australia has different time zones, though. I'm pretty sure. I've never been, but, I think that's right. They said almost 8 AM, right? Or is it actually 8 AM? It's 8:30 in Afghanistan. It's 8 o'clock in Dubai right now. AM. I'm so sorry. I hope this person isn't still here listening to me. Fucking... What time is it? Where are they at? Hackermans. The only place that I can find it that it's actually currently 8 a.m. right now is Dubai, but this world clock may not be representative of everywhere, to be fair, you know? Anyway, I think that's enough of that. I think I'm good here. Welcome to Goon Gets Distracted, the stream. Yeah, probably somewhere Eastern Europe. Moscow, Turkey, Israel. Yeah, that's probably right. Anyway, I think this will work now. The thing is... Oh, I forgot to set it. Well, now it's already set, so fuck it. So there should be a new parameter on the ball dropper, but it's not here because I didn't serialize the field, chat. Wait, I did serialize the field, and I did put a default as well. Ball hits floor sound delay. Oh, it's right there. Just got cut off. Nice. Thank you for that 16-second. Dude, the last... Oh my god. I appreciate the thoroughness of these OSTs, but like... I feel like you could leave out certain songs. Alright. Here we go. Okay. I think this proves it's right. Okay, I will say this. The heavy command only works for 5 seconds. So maybe by the time the heavy command had been typed, it already went out and it got a good bounce outside of the area. Because I think that's possible. Because I bounced it myself, because I can bump it with a button on my keyboard. Yeah. And when I was bumping it while it was heavy, it was not going at fucking anywhere. Here, I'll prove it. Let me type in heavy... Shift focus over here. It's not going anywhere. One annoying thing is it seems to call on collision enter while it's sliding along the floor. See, it's got a little more bounce to it. Dude, what did... It won't stop. Oh my god, what have you done, D314? Like, you can't hear that. Like, you can't hear me mashing this fucking spacebar over here. Like, maybe it should be just a little more than a second. Not quite 2 seconds, but maybe not 1 second. You know? Moon is really funny. Yeah, I agree. He's a pretty good streamer. So degenerate. Yeah, also true. Alright, I'm satisfied with that. That seems like the right amount of like delay. Why is it not working? The fuck? It's connected. Wait. Oh no, the bug is back. Chat, you broke it. What'd you do? Oh my god. Okay, well, the sound effect thing is working. Let's go back to fixing this, I guess. I can't connect the debugger because fucking Visual Studio is broken. That's annoying. Let's close everything, and seeing if reopening it will fix it. I'm gonna cross this play sound effect off of the list, and I guess we will go try to fix this bug now. Maybe instead of a sound, it should play Ode to Joy. I mean, that's a sound, you know? It could play that. How close are we to the end of the soundtrack? Very close, but I'm gonna take a little break, and then we'll pick a new soundtrack to listen to. So chat, we're going lighter with a cider. Hurry up! Sorry, I'm just making this immersive. Any Bomberman 64 fans out there? These are all really short songs from here on out. Let's go find something new to listen to. You know, I know I play this often, but I'm gonna do it again. Boop, boop, boop. Let's commit the code we just made, though, first. Add SFX when hitting the ground. And with this commit, I will get sued by whoever owns the rights to the GNOME sound effect. Put an oof in here, but I dare not incur the wrath of Tommy Fuckerino, or whatever that guy's name is, that technically owns the rights to that sound. When ball hits the ground. I know what his actual name is. I don't know why I avoided saying it instead of insulting him with a portmanteau of his name. Oh fuck, I forgot to put this in, wait, oh crap, hold on. I forgot something important, chat. It needs to go in the prefabs and also be in every scene, or else it will blow up. Scenes. Maybe I should wrap all these in like one prefab and then I just update that and everything gets updated. That would be smart, actually. Stop creating stuff at a random position, you fuck. An asshole. God, I hope none of these have any overrides that I didn't save or something. YOLO! Well, that's why we have source control, right? I guess. Lambo. Does this still work? Is everything fine? Or is anything broken when I do this? Cool. Yep, it's working. Cool. I haven't even checked like whether switching scenes while doing this stuff works or not. Bump, 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 bump. There we go. Cool. It's working. I keep thinking people are redeeming those now. Oh, is the UI swap still working? Yep. It's one downside, yeah. And now it's fixed. People might get their GNOME fixed too easy without paying. I mean, it's not like we're running this randomizer every 2 seconds or anything like that, to be fair. I don't know. So the fucking Twitch commands are no longer broken, so I'm not sure what happened there, but, you know, like... Oh, boy. Double gnomed. Okay, well... We definitely improved some stuff, that's good. Crap. I don't know what to do now. like, I want to fix that bug, but like, okay, hold on, let's do this. I'm gonna close everything. Let's get Visual Studio, like, back to normal. I suspect if I just restart Unity, it'll be fine. I haven't updated my background since the last time I was screen sharing, though to be fair, that was like 2 days ago, so it's not like I had a lot of time to do so. Alright, moment of truth. Can I open Visual Studio without it just fucking vomiting at me? Son of a bitch! What the fuck? Please see the output window for details. Sure. Project file cannot be loaded. Cannot find file. Unity.2d.commoneditor. Interesting. Same goes for unity.mathematics.editor.csproj and unity.api.editor.bridge. The fuck is going on? Could not find file. OmniSharp fails. Alright, you fucking bitch-ass bitch. What are you doing to me? Holy shit. I see really, really old forum posts. This is bad, because I can't fucking debug anything now because of this. Like, if I want to, like, trace what the fuck is happening, it's like, I don't know. I guess it didn't work or something. Like, the fuck? Best I can do is this, I guess. I didn't want to do this, but we're gonna have to. You. It may hopefully help. Yeah, if this doesn't get initialized for any reason, it should log. Yeah, it should log this. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, chat. It's fucking weird. I don't know why it broke previously. This will give us more insight, I guess, if it happens again. It seems like it breaks consistently on, like, a build or something, so, like, as long as whatever I build is okay, I can probably rely on it to be fine. But even if it doesn't, now we have more context of what was happening, so we can kind of, like, debug that a little more. Let's close the night out by adding in a ball trail. I'm beyond defeated right now. How do we do that? How do we do that? It's more or less what I'm looking for. Hell yeah. How you done did that? Teach me Unity, man. There's a lot of talking going on here. What the fuck? Trail renderer. Oh, I already looked at this, apparently. What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna keep watching this video. And by we, I mean me. Y'all don't get to see this. Okay, you just literally add a component. The fuck? Sounds hard. Apparently not. Apparently I can just fucking add a component to my prefab here and we're good to go. Alright, ball. Trail render. Ta-da! Alright, this will be horrible, but here's what this looks like. It didn't work at all. What the fuck? Excuse me? Camera motion only. Per object motion, that's probably what we actually want. It didn't work either. How? How does this work? Hold on. Hold the fucking phone. I mean, like... Literally, this person... Oh, hold on. No, wait, what? 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 Oh. Well, that person was working on an instance of their object, so they had to apply it. Okay, I'm still lost as to why this did not work. How do I add a value to this? The fuck? Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Now does this work somehow? I don't think it will. Is it like invisible or something? Is that what's happening? Oh, wait, no. No, it's fully working. I don't know. It's just not. It's just not. Straight up, it's just fucking not. The end. Why? What the fuck? You know, it's probably a lot to assume that it would just work or whatever, but this video seems to suggest that it would. Okay, well, fuck my ass, I guess. Unity trail render. Not visible. How about that? I have solved this problem after doing some tries. Here I am posting the answer so useful to another members. I require to set material to type mobile / part. Fuck. Wait, whose material? Your. Wait. Huh? Huh? Where? I don't see a parameter for materials in here. That's where I would assume I'd want to set like a particle thing or something, but it's not. It's not in here. We got a sprite for this material, if that's what they mean. This, sucks. This is the same person. God damn it, they're on Stack Overflow. It's copy-pasted from what they typed. I mean, I appreciate that they put their answer everywhere, but, it's not helpful. They're not specific enough. There's too many things. Sorting layer on the trail renderer near the bottom component foreground. Oh, materials. Ah, I found it. Okay. Damn it. Doesn't like those materials. Okay, we're gonna use, I guess, default particle. Fuck it. I didn't mean to duplicate that, damn it. There we go. Thank you. Control Z. Come on, drop the ball. Hey, okay. It needed a material. This isn't quite working out the way I thought it would. It's not terrible. I don't hate this, but we can tweak this definitely. I don't know why it's like delayed showing up. Maybe it's maybe default line might be better actually. There we go. That's more what I was expecting. Now let's taper that down a bit with the settings I think we can do. Also, fully aware that what people were looking for was a sort of like alpha'd out equivalent of like a shadow of the ball, I think is what was requested previously. So we're gonna aim for that. Let's go ahead and try to make a material like that. We can't quite make a sprite, I guess. And, you know, going back to the other requests that people have made previously, if we want a skin here, we're going to need to, like, I guess, probably adapt to this. And we could probably, like, use a script to, adjust it, for sure. But, you know. Let's see what this does. I don't think this will end well, but we're going to try it, you know? Ball. I bet we can get this to a point where it's looking good using this material and just tweaking it a bit. Something's bad. Something is wrong here. Okay. Crap. Well, that certainly puts a damper on things. Can I... Yeah, I can reset you. That's good. I don't think that was causing issues, though. Yeah, it just does not like this material at all, actually. That's good too, but like, I don't know. We're missing something here. Like, I don't know. It feels weird. I don't know. Is there a material 2D or something I should be using? Like, I don't... Materials make more... Like, building a material like this makes more sense to me in 3D, but I'm probably... Just probably not looking at the bigger... Oh, here we go. Sprites, maybe? Default? And the sprite texture is... Oh, come on. It knows the material, though, which is weird. It's like, I feel like I'm on the right path, but I don't know. I don't even know if the same thing is still bound to this or not, but... Yeah! It's okay. Now we're getting somewhere, chat. Okay. That is not what was requested, but... Closer. Nice, those are cool. Anyway, let's touch that up a bit, shall we? I was thinking of a red line as a tracker. This wormy thing might be better. Yeah, that's what I'm... Like, that's not what I was thinking of, but this is better than the line, for sure. Oh gosh, how do I do this? I don't know what pixel stat means. Render queue, enable GPU instancing. So what I was thinking was basically just like a bunch of like the same, like the sprite unstretched, just like layered and like more and more faded the further it was away from me. Or scaled down, that's fine too. Let's lower the alpha just a little bit, just so it's not a solid green line. I think that might do wonders for this line. Maybe that's fine. It certainly makes me giggle. I'm gonna leave this. Like, if I can't make this better than this is what I'm leaving in because it's funny. Too good. I'm not mad at that, honestly. If I bump it, it follows. and what a this is pretty litty, I agree. And what a more appropriate sentence or phrase than it follows right now. That is grotesque and I kinda love it. I'm gonna make it a little bit more transparent. I might just leave it where it's at. I'm gonna make it 50% transparent. This is so fucking stupid, chat. Can I do... Okay, what the hell does this do? I don't even know what those settings do. Have I seen Smile? Not yet. It's on my list, though. Like, legit. Okay, well, whatever geometry does, it fucks everything up. I do want to watch that, though. Well, that's the same, but whatever. I guess. I don't know. That's fine. It's certainly no worse than it already was. I'm falling in love with this dumbass stretch texture. God damn it, the gnomes. God, could you imagine the chaos if I, like, put in, like, any sound effect as this happens? And the lady looked at each other and we're like, it follows. Yeah. That's about right. Well, that's the same as from shader, I'm pretty sure, right? Like... I think if I'm looking for the desired effect... Dude, it's hard to beat. This is... I'm loving this. This is amazing. Yeah, this is done. I agree. I want to mess with this. Okay, I might find the answer that I'm looking for, but, like, I think at this point we're just going to go back to that, regardless of, like, whether I find out how to do this properly or not. Like, that's so good. It's too good. I don't think this will be different at all, actually. Yeah, it's just darker for some reason. It's funny and chaotic, keep it as is. I really can't disagree with that. That's like, it's too good. Also, I don't even know how to do it properly. So we're gonna leave it as is. That's not my source control window. There we go. Add ball trail. Also more Twitch integration debugging. There. All my code is pushed. If anyone wants to know where this code's at, I think this is the command, right? Yeah, there you go. There's my GitHub. This project's up there, as with everything I've coded on stream before. All of it's up there. Except for that one stream I did about, like, online stuff. That wasn't... Sorry, that isn't yet uploaded. It's on my broken PC. Eventually I will upload that source code too, I promise. So stream's not over yet, but I think I'm done coding. We've done a solid, like, three almost a half-ish hours of coding. My other plans for tonight were to switch over to my level editor once I do all this stuff. But I think I'm gonna torture myself even more. And we're gonna play some Mario ROM hacks. But I'm done coding right now. So, yeah, hold up. Enjoy the Donkey Kong Country soundtrack while I take a tiny little break, and then we'll start playing some Mario. And when I say Mario ROM hacks, I mean it's the one I've been playing. We're gonna make a little more progress on that tonight. It's a tiny bit of progress. But yeah, that's it for coding tonight, I think. I'm gonna call it here. But we are not done streaming. So this might take anywhere between 30 minutes and like 2 hours based on our recent performance. But yeah, hang tight for that. I'll be right back.